So I'm going to be talking about the best product, in my opinion, for fine hair that I have, that I sell, that I love, that I spent like months and months and months trying to get this to be perfect, and that's Tidal Wave. And I'm going to explain to you why and what it does. First things first, I know a lot of people are asking a bunch of questions about a few things. Yes, I have reformulated 25 spray and made some updates to it. So it comes with the heat shrink wrap, as you can see right through here, to protect it from leaking. We did upgrade the pump, so it no longer shoots out like a laser stream right away. It is a bit of a thicker type creamy liquid, so you have to shake it up before you use it. We've actually replaced some of the ingredients with better ingredients. Not like the past ones were bad, they're still amazing, but we just removed a few and just, upgraded some of the other ones or some new ones. The scent is probably the biggest by far upgrade to the whole thing. And let me tell you, it's the most incredible, in my opinion, seductive, fresh, gosh, it's such a beautiful fragrance. So we made some major updates to 25 spray, which I'm proud of. Also, locked, okay? We have the new locked hairspray, which is now, I know there was the original locked, and I felt it wasn't giving as much hold, in my opinion, because a lot of the times for the TikTok hairstyles, it needed more hold. So then I had locked version 2, and I felt that had a good amount of hold, but people were saying they liked the fragrance of the first one better. And so this new one has a closer fragrance to the original locked, but a similar type of hold to the second one with, I'd say, a bit more texture to it. All right, so it's got like that matte kind of spray, that matte finish, a nice fragrance. You're actually getting a lot of product in here, 10 ounces. But it's going to give the hair a bit more of an immediate type of hold to get that longevity. So, I'm sure you all are going to like this. And it helps with flyaways, with humidity, things like that. And so that's some updates on the new locked. So this comes with the TikToker hairstyle kit as well, where we've got the Tidal Wave, the locked hairspray, and also the 2-inch hairbrush, which has my logo on it, so you know it's authentic and it's mine. All right, there's a Salon Guy right there. So we do sell so many of these. All right, now the best product for fine hair, and why am I saying that? Well, in my opinion, it's Tidal Wave, and the reason is because the sea salt actually provides a few benefits. Excuse me. The benefits are that, one, it gives the hair a great volume. It gives the hair that like light beachy type of texture that when your hair comes out, when you come out of the ocean, your hair just is full of life, full of volume, and you're like, why does my hair look so great? That's why it's so great, because it gives you that volume and that texture, which when you're blow drying your hair, right, if you have longer hair and you're looking to use a round brush to get maximum volume, then this is gonna be amazing. And I'm talking about if you're a female and you have like more traditional, maybe a bob hairstyle, or you have some layers and you're looking to get a ton of volume, use this, spray it, 1 spritz on the scalp, and then blow dry it, and you're gonna be amazed on the volume. And I do have a larger round brush, a 2.5-inch round brush that I do sell here. So what do you do when you're styling? So I would say when the hair is damp, what you can do is spray 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spritzes, depending on your hairstyle. You can spray a couple of spritzes in the hair, let it sit down on the hair, maybe comb through if you want, and then start the styling process. Now, if you do have fine hair and maybe you have shorter hair, and I've tested this, I know it works. Say you've got the TikToker hairstyle, or you have like maybe a short kind of, messy kind of spiked up hairstyle with a lot of texture on top, and you don't want to use any sort of crazy paste or anything like that. Well, if you spray this into damp hair and then you go and blow dry it, you're actually going to get a ton of texture, like if this was a medium holding dry shampoo, which is insane, okay? So it's gonna give you a nice matte finish, a lot of reworkable texture, and literally it's done in seconds. You blow dry the hair real quick, just work it and style your hands like this while you're blow drying it, and the product itself is going to give you incredible texture, like a light clay dry shampoo type of hold, matte finish. So that's one thing that's great for people who have very, 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 very fine hair, because this binds the hair together, helps soak up the oils, which could make the hair look a bit, you know, greasy or even finer. It weighs it down, so this kind of soaks that up. Another thing you can do on dry hair, right, if you're looking for a quick pick-me-up and you have fine hair, well, and this mannequin right here has extremely fine hair. That's why I'm using this. It has a lot of it, but each individual hand, I could just pull this and it'll snap. It's very, very sensitive. So a very, very fine hair texture. What you can do is you can actually spray this like this. 1, 2, right? 2 spritzes, maybe 3 spritzes into dry hair. And then what you can do is start to work the product into the hair like so, and you're going to start to feel that sea salt type of texture, and then you're going to be able to, look at this, immediately you're going to be able to restyle it. You're going to be able to get that volume, that separation, that texture, that kind of, you know, medium holding dry shampoo type of look. And then if you want to keep that in place, then you can obviously go in with the locked hairspray like so, hold it from a distance, and you're going to get that instant kind of feel. Again, with the new locked hairspray, you're going to notice it's going to come out a bit more texturized right up front, meaning that the actual spray itself is a bit of a finer mist, right? It's not a heavy cloud like the first one, right? This, I think, to me, gives a bit better coverage, and you're going to get more immediate results to the hair like you're seeing right here. And it's going to have, in my opinion, a little bit better hold. So I'm trying to create these products that are going to help support the style and give you that longevity, because I don't want to have a finishing hairspray that just collapses. All right, so it's a great product for fine hair. And then if you want to reshape it, you want to restyle it, you can do that. You're going to have that texture that's already built into the hair like so, and then it makes it very, very easy to restyle. So that's why I love them. And actually, you can shop right here on the shop tab my products, or you can go to shop.thesalonguy.com and use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 for 20% off, and it's free shipping on orders over $60 after the discount code in the United States. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you're using Tidal Wave. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.